Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Reza. In this video I want to make a lo-fi beat using Cymatics keys. I think it's new, and yeah, let's get into it. This is our VST and plugin that you see. You can see, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, I'm suck at it. Oh my God, I'm gonna suck at this. Okay. So I already opened it because my PC sucks and it's weak actually, because CPU and RAM is weak, and I hope one day in my life I can get a good PC and laptop. Really I hope so, man. It's hard in here. Oh my God, what I'm talking about. Let's get into video, man. Okay, so this is our VST. We have bunch of presets. It's piano, 70s, chords, classic, but I mostly use these one that more into lo-fi, because I make more lo-fi beats, and yeah, I choose these presets: lo-fi, intimate, piano, because we're going to make a lo-fi beat. And yeah, this is the chords that I right here, as you can see. I don't know, let's go here. Okay, let me get this bigger, and yeah, and here. Okay, I want you can see the old notes that I have to say we are in C major or A minor, because there are relative keys. And yeah, this is my chord progression that I wrote for these presets. Let's listen to this one. It's really chill, beautiful. Yeah, this was my basic chord progression, which I have to say I'm not a MIDI guy. I mostly use loops and the samples, but sometimes I wrote these maybe because of the copyright claim. I don't know, man. If you have a music theory problem, you can search on YouTube. There's a tons of way you can write chord progression. But I want to show you in this video, it's kind of bonus. Okay, there's a plugin called, I don't know, VST plugin called Unison MIDI Wizard. Okay, Wizard, I don't know what is that. How do I, when you start, it's get here, you can click on teach me, it's take you to the, I think it's to their website. But I'm fine. I should say I write this chord progression using this one. I'm not good at music theory, and I'm not good at MIDIs and these kind of stuff. I usually like to use loops, but how to work with this one? You just open it and you choose your genre, whatever you want. Because I mostly make lo-fi, so I choose lo-fi. And yeah, and you can choose your keys in here. I choose C major or A minor. It's there's a lot of keys in here that you can use. And of course you go to your style. You want a chord or melody. So chord, 4 bars, 8 bars, whatever you want. And of course there's a transpose here. It's on 0, but you can go to -12. That means 1 octave low, and 12 1 octave higher. And yeah, you just click on it, and boom, it give you, who said boom? I don't know, I saw it on video. Let's open a simple VST. It's really heavy and it's really pressure on my PC. Okay, it's opened, and you just drag and drop it. Just take here and right up here. Okay, and open this one. Beautiful. If you notice, there's some notes are in the black, rows, because lo-fi music and chord progression is more jazzy, and sometimes we borrow some chords from other, scales, and that's because of that. And so don't worry. Okay, guys, so this is your bonus tips.
Nice.
This was my chord progression, so let's listen again. Really chill, really, it's amazing. Okay, and then I make a melody.
What?
Using this, preset called Lofi Cute, it's really good, it's really good. It's simple. And I have to say, yes, I did that melody with Unison MIDI Wizard. So go and get it. It's really helpful. Sometimes I get in Btw I use it a lot. Okay, so let's listen to this together. Just simple as that. There's no hardness, in making music, bro. I'm gonna split by channel. Let's consolidate this, because of PC, because I know it's getting really hard on it. Okay, let's start this one, and then I'm gonna close the plugin, the Cymatics keys. Oh, shoot. We crashed.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay. You can stop. I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna, drop an audio place. I'm gonna delete this because it's really killing my PC. And let's delete this one too, and let's this one play, and let's go. Okay, so we got our samples. Let's listen to it. Okay, it's let's add some drums. Let's go by Eldre Drum Kit Volume 2. Let's see what this guy has. He's a great lo-fi producer. What this guy does. Ooh, I like this one. Let's go with this hi-hat and kick. Wow, this kick is amazing, bro. Let's go with snare. I like this one. Oh my god. It's called Eldre's Sex Snake. Oh my god, what's gonna happen to us, bro? Let's go this one. I like this one. So just open it, fail this one. Let me put this one here. Okay, let's go, to the piano roll. And okay, we're gonna play with the velocity. Okay, this one down, this one down, this one down, this one down. I'm gonna take it a little bit down. Okay, let's go. Okay, let me open equalizer. Okay, it has a lot of rumbling. Okay. is crazy, man. I mean, come on, El Rey. Let's listen to this. Beautiful. Woo. Let me add some ambience in here. Yeah, definitely this one. This is beautiful. Okay, let me cut this up here. And let me arrange it a little bit. And okay, definitely not here. Let's go. Beautiful. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. I will the Cymatics key link in the description if you want it. Go and get it. And yeah, I like this VST, man. I like it, and definitely I'm gonna make more lo-fi beats. By the way, don't forget to like video if you like it. Leave a comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's really helped me out. I'm out. Peace.